Workers harvest by hand, one plant at a time. Crates slowly fill with freshly harvested. Below the surface, tubers begin to form. Spraying begins. A fine mist. Branch pipes extend across the field. The trucks arrive at the prepared field.
When the time is right, these young plants will be moved. Steel tube wells are lowered into the ground.
The drill cuts deeper into the earth.
The land is ready.
Clean groundwater rises from the bore.
A small team of young, female individuals arrives deep inside an American desert. Endless sand.
Scientists kneel down, collecting soil samples. Sensors scan pH, moisture, and mineral content.
The data appears on screen. The soil is dry, damaged, but still usable.
Temperature rises above 48 degrees Celsius. Time becomes the biggest enemy.
Moments later, massive machines enter the desert. Bulldozers and graders take position.
The ground is leveled with extreme precision. GPS systems control every movement.
This is not agriculture yet. This is engineering fighting the desert.
Beneath the surface, pathways are prepared for future irrigation and water pipelines.
In just a few hours, chaos turns into structure. The desert begins to change.
The land is ready. The next phase will decide everything: water.
Once the land is leveled, massive drilling machines move into position. The search for water begins.
The drill cuts deeper into the earth. Meter by meter, pressure builds below the surface. Suddenly, the soil changes. Moisture appears. The aquifer has been reached. Clean groundwater rises from the bore. In the desert, this moment changes everything.
Steel tube wells are lowered into the ground, locking access to the water below. The wells are sealed and reinforced. A permanent water source is now in place.
Far from the desert heat, a controlled farm prepares the next phase. Potato seeds are carefully selected and placed into small individual pots. These seedlings will grow strong roots before ever touching the desert soil.
When the time is right, these young plants will be moved outside into the desert.
After weeks of careful growth, the potato seedlings are finally ready.
Roots are inspected one last time. Strong, white, and alive.
The seedlings are packed into protective crates, designed to survive desert travel.
Transport trucks line up outside the facility. The desert is waiting. Every crate is loaded carefully. Damage is not an option.
The convoy moves across extreme terrain. Heat, distance, pressure.
The trucks arrive at the prepared fields. The soil is ready.
Crates are unloaded. Thousands of young plants face the desert for the first time.
The seedlings are transferred from pots into the desert ground.
From controlled farms to open desert, survival is no longer guaranteed.
Engineers mark the ground. Every row, every line is planned for water delivery.
Machines cut precise trenches into the desert soil.
Large irrigation pipes are lowered into the ground.
Branch pipes extend across the field, forming a hidden water network.
The trenches are closed. The system disappears underground.
Water flows for the first time. Pressure and balance are checked.
The potato plants brought from the farm are lined up beside the fields.
Machines and workers plant each potato with precision.
Water reaches the roots for the first time.
Beneath the desert surface, life has begun.
Silence stretches across the land as time moves forward. From cracked, lifeless sand, the first signs of life.
Leaves spread outward, capturing sunlight and building energy underground. Below the surface, tubers begin to form. This is where the potatoes are born. Sensors track moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels in real time. Spraying begins. A fine mist protects the plants from insects and disease.
Each spray is calculated. Too little fails. Too much destroys the crop.
Liquid nutrients and medicine are delivered through irrigation flooding.
The system balances water, medicine, and oxygen around every root. The plants respond. Strong stems, deep green leaves. There is no visible damage. The most dangerous phase is complete. Now, the potatoes grow in silence.
Underground, the potatoes continue to grow. Size increases. Skins thicken.
Above the surface, leaves begin to yellow, a sign of maturity.
The plantle's energy shifts fully underground. The potatoes are ready.
Experts inspect the fields. Harvest timing is critical.
Soil is gently loosened to avoid damaging the crop. A potato appears. Clean, full-grown, alive.
Workers harvest by hand, one plant at a time.
Every potato is handled gently. Damage means loss.
Crates slowly fill with freshly harvested potatoes.
In the middle of the desert, food has been pulled from the ground.
Mechanical harvesters move into the field. Massive wheels crush the desert surface lightly.
Blades cut and lift the soil, revealing the potatoes beneath.
Potatoes appear, still covered in earth, ready for collection.
Conveyor belts carry the potatoes directly into trolleys. Trolleys fill rapidly, moving through the desert to the collection point.
Machines pass over every row. Not a single potato left behind.
The trolleys arrive at the processing factory. Desert dust was replaced by concrete floors.
Inside, potatoes are sorted, broken ones separated. Only the best proceed.
Washing machines remove the last traces of desert soil.
The journey from barren desert to clean, usable potatoes is complete.